Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shashan Code. Today I am covered first problem of HackerRank in C. First problem is Hello World. In this challenge, we will learn some basic concept of C that will get you started with the language. You will need to use the some syntax to read input and write output in many C challenges. As you work through this problem, review the code, substitute to learn about reading for std in and writing to std out. This library is already included in std.io. Today, our task is this challenge requires you to print hello world on a single line and then print the already provide input string to std out. If you are not familiar with C, you may want to read about the printf command. So guys, see, this is a character array or 100 characters are allowed to store in this array. Or this is scanf. User can provide string. If you normally use scanf, the compiler terminate at a white space or blank space. So if you need compiler terminate at new line, so use this syntax percentage bracket, then this sign +n, then percentage star c, and save input and s string. So this is a ampersand sign. This is a showing address of variable and user entered some strings, those stored in this string. So simple output welcome to C program, and our output is hello world welcome to C program. Printf hello world then print user entered string. This is a variable specifier percentage s is print string. First try and run code. Okay, this show a error. This is a error is add a new line. The task is print separate lines. Okay, done. Then submit code and compiler test successful.